Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you'd like to see how I achieve this everyday neutral, help me with the words. If you'd like to see how I achieved this look, please stay tuned because I can't get my words together. Secondly, I'm sick, if you can hear from my voice. But I'm still gonna go ahead and shoot this because I feel like I look fabulous. Okay guys, let's get started. I am going to go into the creases of my eyes with this warm pink tone color. I just use a sweeping motion to apply that crease color, and I go back in with like a brownish color just to tone down the pink a little bit because I don't want it to be harsh. So I'm just making sure to sweep it across. And now for my eyelid, I'm going to use this tan color. I start with a patting motion and then sweep it across. I just like to do it that way because I feel like it evens the makeup out a little better that way. So yeah, just gonna go on to the second eye, do the same thing, making sure to sweep it in really nicely, and then I go back in with a brush to make sure everything is blended well. And I'm gonna go back in with that same tan color, but now I'm going to apply it right underneath my eyebrows just to make sure that it looks nice and bright and that it also blends with the rest of the look. Now I'm using this eyeliner pencil. It's a liquid liner just to create this smoky eye, not smoky eye, cat eye, feathery kind of look. And then I go ahead and apply my lashes, and I do use the hair glue for this. I found that it works better. And then for the highlight, I'm using this palette. I really like the highlight it gives me right underneath my eyebrows there. It just makes it a little more brighter. So now for the face, I'm going in with my concealer. And I apologize for my voice, guys. I don't feel very well, so my voice is kind of crazy sounding, but and I understand that the concealer is really bright, but it's only because, like I said, I'm sick and I have a lot of bags under my eyes, so I want to make sure that it's covered very well. But I'm just making sure to blend it so I don't look crazy out here. And now for my foundation, I like the matte studio finish. And also, I'm going to list all the makeup I use for this tutorial in the descriptions, just in case you're interested. So I just use a patting motion because it works better for me, making sure to blend everywhere, covering just everything. And then I go back in with a darker concealer underneath my eyes. I normally don't do this much, but like I said, I'm sick and I need a lot more coverage than usual. So yes, a darker concealer just to conceal under my eyes a little better. And then I use the Mercier powder to set my concealer areas. So there's the powder. Now listen guys, I don't bake. I don't have time to bake. I'm always in a rush. So I literally just apply the powder on and sweep it across. I don't have time to sit there and bake. And I feel like it gives you the same effect. Whether you bake or whether you don't bake, you'll be fine. The key to any makeup look, in my opinion, is to blend it very well. As long as it's well blended, you're good, girl. You'll be fine. So just making sure to blend it very well there. Taking my time, and this video is gonna be short and fast, but trust me guys, in real life you need time. Spend a lot of time on your makeup to make it look good. You don't want to rush anything when it comes to makeup because you will look crazy out there. So now I'm just moving on to my contouring. I use this tiny little brush just to contour my nose, and when I do that, I start from underneath my eyebrows and work my way down to the tip of my nose because it makes your nose look skinnier, which my nose is not. So I need to do that. So yeah, just making sure to blend it again. Have I said blend enough? That's because it's important. You need to blend, guys. And I'm using a bigger brush to do my jawline. I like to have that nice cut, chisel jawline, you know, because it's pretty that way. And now I'm going to go in with my highlight. I love this highlight. I don't know where I got it from, but it was like $1 or $2. It was really cheap, but it works really, really well. Sometimes you don't have to spend a lot of money for good stuff. So now I'm just going to go down in my waterline, making sure to define that area a little more. And that brush is like it has like a sponge. It's a tiny little sponge at the end of it. And that's what I use for my brow lines, just to define my eyes a little better. And then my mascara, just to pop my eyes. And yes, I am wearing contacts. Thank you for asking. So yes, I'm applying a little bit of highlight in my teardrop area. I don't know if that's what that's called, but yeah, it makes your eyes really bright and really pretty. And that's just me making sure I did it right. Going back in with my highlight to the tip of my nose, just to make sure I got that Instagram glowy look. So now moving on to my lips, I'm using this chocolate NYX lip color. And I do like to line my lips. Even though they're really big, I still line them just because it blends it better. I like it that way. So just applying the NYX lip pencil lipstick thing. The only thing about this is it's really wet and it's really like shiny, and I like my lipsticks to be matted. So the trick for this is I use the Mercier powder and just pat it on, and it turns it into like a matted look. And here we are, all done. I apologize again about my voice, guys. I hope you liked the video, and if you did like it, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, guys. I'll see you in my next one.